Down here in my basement is my grow room, which, as you can see, is a work in progress. I built it, you can see in the right hand corner there that I have a grow tent, but it quickly ran out of space growing stuff in there, and then having it down in the basement with the kids playing, I wanted something that was a little bit more easier to keep them out. And plus, once I enclose and line some reflective material inside the actual grow room, I'll be able to control the light and the temperature and humidity a little bit better. Basically, you can see cost me maybe $20-$25, but on the bottom I just have standard 2x4s, and they're really just resting on top of the concrete with a plastic tarp in between them so that the wood doesn't touch the concrete directly. All of the vertical pieces of wood are just 1x3s, cheap pieces of 1x3s, and everything is just slightly screwed in with like 1/4 inch or 1 inch sheetrock screws. The sheetrock on the bottom, again, was really just to keep it so the kids can't get in there, but it's just standard 1/4 inch sheetrock. And like I said, eventually I will completely wrap it with some type of tarp or reflective material that the kids can't reach up top here. And just a quick inside on the left, I keep a lot of my chemicals in the cabinet here, and then I got my seedlings starting there. In the back I have a Worm Factory 360, and then again I have an actual grow tent. Once the room is done, I'll get rid of the grow tent though, and sell the grow tent because I won't need it anymore. And down here, which is drying after I just cleaned it, is a Hydrofarm Mega Garden flood and drain. I think it's flood and drain type hydroponic system. So I'll do more in-depth reviews of all of this, especially the hydroponic garden, once I go through completely setting it up. Now that it's cleaned and ready, these seedlings I got growing are almost ready to be put back in. And the grow tent itself is I believe it's 5 foot tall, 4 foot wide, 2 foot deep. So the grow room altogether is right now it's 6 feet deep and 8 feet long. They're standard 8 foot 2x4s. And of course, as I was building it, I was thinking to myself that it wasn't going to be big enough, and already I don't think it is. You can see I got stuff crammed into every corner and space. So I might just get some shelving and put it on the outside and store some of the soil and the hydroton and some of the other things that I can get out of here and put it outside of the grow room. So that's it for now.